Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gengar Pokémon Unite easy method. Start by learning Gengar's core kit and movement patterns, then prioritize fast experience and safe rotations, avoid fights you cannot win, and use surprise to secure takedowns. Communicate with teammates for objective timing, and focus on timing your Unite move for team fights. Stay flexible, pick fights shaped to your advantages, and practice combos to refine your map awareness and damage timing. Warm up by clearing the jungle and securing experience with careful positioning and efficient route choices, focusing on last hits to level quickly. Avoid aggressive trades until you reach key power spikes and have your core items equipped. Coordinate with teammates to take Dreadnought or Rotom when numbers are favorable, turning kills into map control and momentum. Practice timing your ganks after level gains to capitalize on enemy weaknesses and snowball objectives. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more concise tutorials and share with friends who play. Quick recommendation: Droplet stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, a handy companion that avoids spills during tense ranked matches and keeps you refreshed between rounds. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose items that amplify special attack and mobility while offering some sustain so you stay relevant in fights. Practice an opener combo that roots or slows, follow with burst abilities for maximum damage, and finish with mobility skills to secure kills or escape. Swap items based on enemy builds and tempo to maintain pressure. Keep combos smooth, timing your abilities to avoid counterplay and to chain crowd control for team follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.